Sales are going way down, and it's kind of bad for business when you drop the pizzas.
What are you talking about? It is just like Mama's.
Well, anyway, I'll give you $5 instead of $2 if you don't drop the pizzas.
That means more money, right?
Yeah. Okay, I know this is your first day, but I don't want you to be nervous. But I do want you to be happy, happy, happy. Now go out there and watch the tables. Okay, happy, happy, happy. Right. She's a little cuckoo to the brain, so any problems, talk to me. I'm a pro at customer relations, and my name is Dusty.
Fine, whatever.
Come on.
Can I take your order? I want clam chowder pizza. You don't have to.
I pick from the menu.
I said I want clam chowder pizza. Sir, we don't have that. Will you pick from the menu? Well, now you do.
Let me handle this. Sir, what is the problem?
The problem is I wanted a clam chowder pizza.
Well, we don't have that. Can you pick from the menu?
I wanted a clam chowder pizza.
Order from the menu, or I will escort you through the door.
I want a clam chowder.
Another satisfied customer.
Pizza, Mama, start your pizza. Everybody loves my pizza. Can I take your order, sir?
May I have a cheese pizza? Cheese pizza! Cheese pizza! Cheese pizza! What size? What size?
Sir, what size do you like?
A medium, please.
Medium.
Medium! Medium! That will be $10. You forgot to make people that.
Just like Mama's.
Here's your pizza, sir.
Thank you.